So my team name is Graph Guru and myself Abhinandan Sharma. And I want to explain my problem statement and solution in this video. So my data set is Udemy courses, and my problem statement is I want to increase the traffic and subscribers on Udemy by identify some underrepresented categories and running EDA on the dataset to get some insights and make recommendations for increasing subscribers. So my dataset overview is that my shape of the dataset is 98,104 by 13, means I have 13 features and 98,104 rows in my dataset, and I have one column, ID column, which is just I have described my features here, all the features here, and then I have done the data cleaning and representation. There are two missing values in my datasets in instructor underscore names column. So after we analyze those two rows, after analyzing those two rows, we find that they are of no use to us. So we drop those two rows from our dataset, and then we find that there is a feature ID that is also of no use to us other than identifying the duplicates. So after identifying duplicates, we won't be using it anywhere. And then there are many outliers in the dataset, so we will be retaining the outliers and extracting the information out of them. And then I have also done a transformation in my dataset at the end, so I will be making another feature subcategory in the dataset. So that subcategory will tell about the subcategory of that particular category of the course. Like development courses can have subcategories like web development, AIML, and etc. So first we run univariate analysis after we find some like feature insights on individual features. So these are the insights, and also univariate analysis on both numerical and categorical columns. Then we run bivariate analysis. So after running bivariate analysis, this is the results we have got. So, and then after running bivariate analysis, we run multivariate analysis also. So multivariate analysis I have run on three types. Three types. There is a age underscore paid category and number of subscribers. Then we have instruction level category and number of subscribers. And then we have age underscore paid instructional level and number of subscribers. I am not using rating here, and I am mostly using number of subscribers here only, because most of the part that a course is very good or not, that will be told by number of subscribers only. Also we find that in bivariate analysis we find that this the correlation coefficient of number of subscribers and reviews is close to 1, so they are correlated, highly correlated. So we won't be using number of reviews in this uh, analysis further. So we will be using rating and number of subscribers. We will be using rating to extract insights from the outliers, and otherwise else we won't be using rating anywhere too. After that we have some insights and recommendation. So the recommendations are first we say that photography and office productivity and marketing are underrepresented represented categories, but they are doing well as they have higher number of subscribers on average. So we should be making more courses in those categories. Also there are some more represented categories like IT and software and development. They are also doing well in those terms. So we should be, though they are more represented, but we should be making more courses in those categories also. And there are some more represented categories like teaching and academics, which is not doing well in terms of number of subscribers. So we should be making some unpaid courses in that category, and some courses on beginner and all levels. So as beginner and all levels and unpaid courses have higher subscribers on average, as we can see from the two graphs. And then we have that we find the instructors of the most courses across all the categories, and we take out those instructors, find those instructors and ask them to make more courses in beginner and all levels across in the on in those categories, so that will increase traffic. Also, there may be some courses which are not doing that well, but they have higher ratings. So there are some courses in intermediate and expert level which are not doing that well, but they have higher rating. This may be because there are less number of people at that levels, expert and intermediate level, so they have less subscribers. So we may ask those instructors to make more courses, and beginner and all levels. This will increase traffic highly. And also we had made subcategories, so we analyzed those subcategories. I have made subcategories for development and music courses only. So first we analyze subcategories of music courses. So music courses have 12 subcategories, and remaining those courses which are not fitting in none of the subcategories. I have put all those courses in other. So we won't be analyzing other subcategory, and remaining subcategories we analyze. So we find that subcategories like piano, guitar, ukulele and music production has more uh, subscribers on average. So we should be making more courses in those subcategories. Also the subcategories like harmonium and Indian music have less subscribers on average. So to increase the traffic and in those subcategories, we should be making more unpaid courses in beginner and all level in those subcategories. So that will increase traffic. So we analyze subcategories of development courses. After analyzing this, we find that the subcategories like Python web development and AIML web development and database have more subscribers on average. So we should be making more courses in that level in those subcategories. Also, we find that in Android development, we can see in Android development, expert levels have more subscribers on average. So we should be making more courses on expert level in Android development. Also, we should be making, as we can see, more in DevOps and cloud. There are more subscribers on average in all levels and beginner level. So we should make more courses in those subcategories at that level. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.